As part of our coursework, we had to carry out primary research by doing a series of recordings of little interviews.
We asked a variety of people from who we obtained a variety of answers. Here are some of our best responses.
Have you seen any British social realist films?
Yeah, Four Lions, Kidulthood, Adulthood.
What did you think of these films?
They're quite funny, they're really good, and appeal to teenagers, which I am.
Do you find them do you find them disturbing or anything? Or?
And I think the films are perfectly fine.
So you're perfectly fine with the issues that they talk about, like racism and violence?
So racism, that goes a bit too far, but other than that, they appeal to who they're aimed at.
Do you think films like Kidulthood and Adulthood stereotype teenagers badly?
In a way, yeah, but they're showing how what the youth is like.
So what films have you seen British social realism ones?
I've seen films like Fish Tank, The Boat That Rocked, and This Is England.
Which one would you say is your favourite?
Fish Tank.
Why?
I would say because it's real and it has the theme of aspirations. That's something that I could relate to.
So how would you describe a British social realism film?
I would describe it as a film set in Britain that represents the reality of a British lifestyle in a rough aspect.
And what would you say would be a good idea for one, if you were to make one?
I would go with the aspirations theme and have someone want to be something, whether it's real or not, but then it to turn out into a bad light and to see how they react to it.
Have you seen any British social realism films?
Yeah, two of which include Four Lions and Attack the Block.
And what did you think of them?
I thought they were both quite good, as they tackled issues such as violence, culture, drugs, etc.
Have you seen any British social realism films?
No, I don't think so.
Do you know what they are?
I don't think so.
They're films made by Film 4, who basically base their films around the themes of violence, drug abuse,
Film 4
alcohol
films?
abuse. Yeah.
Yes,
With
I've
the
seen
one-
some of those.
Would you happen to remember what any of them were called?
Brick Lane.
Brick Lane.
Yeah, I've seen that one. I thought that was quite a nice film because it was based on the life of a young girl, but it was also said in a narrative form, which I thought was give a different perspective of the film, which was quite nice.
Okay, have you seen any others that you feel...
I've seen This Is England. I've seen a clip of This Is England.
what are your views about these films?
Actually, I didn't really like that very much. I know that some of the schools are encouraging children to watch that film, and I don't think it's something I would recommend my child to ever watch. There was also another film, Fish Tank, that she watched, and I wasn't very happy with that. It's not something I would encourage at all, but I'm very disappointed that she had to watch that because it was a project that she had. And it was just stuff that I wouldn't encourage her to watch, because if you're opening young children's minds to watch these films, what kind of impression is it having on them? And I think it's a very negative form. I would be very disappointed. Don't know what the outcome would be, don't know what she thought about it. Not very happy about that. But other films were good. Attack the Block was good. That's it, I think.
Which social realist films?
Yes, I have.
Which films have you seen?
Kidulthood, Adulthood, and Four Lions.
Did you like them?
I did like them, yeah.
Why?
I found them very funny and they appealed to my target audience.
So have you seen any British social realism films?
Yes.
Which ones?
I've seen Four Lions.
And what did you think of it?
It was today, compared to what we think and what the film was portraying. It was really funny.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you take offence to any of the issues that we spoke about?
Because I'm not directly from that place, it didn't affect me so much, but I knew it was media it's a good way to put things forward, isn't it? Because when you've got power of media, you can put a lot of things across and people will listen as well. So it depends really, but I just thought it was just a good film.